Hello guys, good evening all. Can hear me? Here, Audrey.
Hey, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Take.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
How are you guys? Very long time. Almost we had 3-4 days gap, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Audrey, Sony.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm quite busy. Hospital work and all with my mom. Problem and all. Okay, let us start the class. Everyone can view my screen now. Rajesh, Audrey,
Yes, it's
Yes,
visible.
yes,
Yes, sir.
view my screen.
Yes.
yes.
So last class we were discussing about versions of Salesforce and editions of Salesforce. Yes or no?
Yes.
Tell me how many editions given by Salesforce so far?
5.
5. What are those? Does anyone remember?
Essential edition, enterprise edition, unlimited edition, professional edition, and developer edition.
So among these 4 editions, developer edition is free edition.
Yeah.
Also, I given the explanation regarding why Salesforce company given developer edition as a free edition.
Free
So,
edition.
I hope
Yes.
you remember.
Yes.
One of the lady asked the question here. So now I'm going to start the today's session and environments of Salesforce. There are 2 types of environments. One is sandbox environment. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Sony, I saw your message. I'll call you back.
Okay, sir.
Sony George, okay. Sandbox environment and production environment. So what is sandbox environment here? Sandbox environment means it is a place where developers can sit develop the application as per the client's need. I can say it is purely PaaS environment. You know what is PaaS stands for? Platform as a service, where developers can sit and develop the application. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
And there are 3 types of sandboxes here. There are 3 types of sandboxes. That is developer sandbox, configuration sandbox, developer sandbox, and full copy sandbox. So total how many here? 3. What is the first one? Configuration sandbox, developer sandbox, and full copy sandbox. Configuration sandbox means here developer can develop the application without writing any code. Programming or coding. Okay. I can say it is purely QA based environment. Understand all of you?
Yes.
What is GUI stands for? Graphical user interface. Just drag and drop, point and click. Developer no need to write any programming. I can say 40% of application in Salesforce we can develop through UI. So coding part is very less, guys. Understand everyone? Hello,
Yes.
can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Coding part is very, very less in Salesforce. That is why the people who came from different background or who do not have the programming skills before, or non-technical background, like MBA background, or any non-IT, non-CSC background students, okay, also can easily understand Salesforce. Understand Sony Judge? Okay. So you don't need to worry about programming. Programming part is very less. Hey guys, one important thing I need to discuss at this particular point of time. Have you heard the name called Enterprise Edition? Enterprise application? Anyone of you? Have you heard the name called Enterprise application? No one? Okay, no problem. Enterprise application is the combination of three different applications. One is business application. Second one, CRM application. Third one, integration application. Combination of all these three applications, we can call it as what? Enterprise application. So business application handles company business activity. CRM application handles customer relationship. And coming to integration application. Does anyone know what is the meaning of integration application? Anyone of you? Hello?
Yes.
What is integration application?
More modules in one platform. There is nothing but integration application.
Sorry, come again, please.
Connecting 2 or 3 modules in one platform. There is nothing but integration application.
Oh no.
Just you are integrating one application to the another application via data flow, like JSON data flow and all.
So integration application means exchanging of data between multiple applications in an heterogeneous environment. Exchanging of data between multiple applications in a heterogeneous environment. That is called what here, guys? Come on.
Integration.
Okay, for your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example. Let us assume I want to go to, Ratan movie.
Okay.
Come on. Shahrukh Khan's movie, Ratan. Okay, I want to go to this movie. I want to book a ticket through online. If you want to book the ticket through online, what we have to do? We need to open what? Something like what? Bookmate application. Or no? Come on. So I opened the Bookmate application and I booked the ticket. If I book the ticket, my amount gets deducted from where? My bank. Yes or no? I have the account in HDFC Bank. Amounts get debited from my account. Okay, approximately 250 rupees. Okay, and immediately I will receive SMS. On my mobile. So and so amount gets debited from your account. And also I will get SMS confirmation message from my application on so and so date, on so and so movie. on so and so time. Okay. So your ticket has been confirmed. Sir, no. Come on.
Yes.
So once I got the SMS from Book My Show application and also as well as what? HDFC Bank, then my transaction successfully completed. Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Now tell me, Book My Show application developed by using a technology called PHP. Let us assume like this. Technology they used? Come on, guys.
PHP.
PHP, personal home page. It's a web technology. Using that, okay, let us assume Book My Show application was developed. And HDFC Bank application developed by using programming language called what? Java. So both technologies are completely different. Though both applications are completely different, both technologies are completely different. Okay, these two applications are communicate with each other. They can exchange the information between these two applications and to complete the transaction successfully. Yes or no? Come on, guys.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So, but how this application is going to communicate with the HDFC Bank payment gateway? How Book My Show application is going to communicate with HDFC Bank payment gateway? How HDFC Bank is able to communicate with Book My Show application? In between these two applications, which application plays an important role? Is anyone can guess? Yes. There is a third application plays an important role. There is another application plays a vital role. Okay, to make these two applications are communicate with each other and to complete the transaction successfully. Yes or no?
Yes.
And that application name is called what? Something like on.
Integration.
Integration. So without integration application, these two Book My Show application and HDFC Bank application cannot communicate with each other and they cannot complete the transaction successfully. So all of you understand the role of integration application clearly in this example. Everyone in the class. Sonicharj, Shavani, everyone, Bhagesh Kumar, Madhuri, Abhishek. Hello guys, can you hear me
Yes,
now?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, sir, Bhagesh this side. Actually, sir, I missed some points.
Yeah.
Sir, I missed some points. Can you repeat it in us briefly, sir?
Which point you missed, Bhagesh Kumar?
Sir, integration application. Sir.
Yeah. So finally, what I'm telling about integration application is integration application makes two applications are communicate with each other. Understand? Two different applications are communicate with each other.
That
Point clear?
Two
In
other
this example,
yes,
sorry,
sir. That means two different programming languages like
two different technologies are communicating with each other. My Show application, HDFC Bank, both are completely and entirely different technologies. They developed Book My Show application on PHP, HDFC Bank application developed on Java. Okay, though both are completely different, they can communicate with each other. So in between, there is another application plays an important role. What is that? Come on.
Integration.
integration application. Got it, sir.
Understand, Bhagesh?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Madhuri understand, Shavani understand, Abhishek understand, everyone understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tony understand? Tony George?
Yes.
Good. Now tell me all of you for my satisfaction. Enterprise application comprising of how many applications?
Business applications, CRM applications, integration applications.
Total 3 applications. Business application handles business activities. CRM application related to customer related.
relationship.
Integration application related to what? Handles, exchanging of
Different
data between
Between multiple applications.
multiple applications in a heterogeneous environment. And this is the best example I given because you people know about this application and you people are using this application regularly in your daily life, especially your weekends. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Come on, guys.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So if you want to develop the enterprise application using Java technology, using Java technology, it takes minimum 5 to 6 years time to develop the application. How many years? Excuse me, someone need to mute, guys. Getting some noise from your side. Bhagesh, please mute. Thank you. Except Madhuri, rest of all the people, please mute. Madhuri, please unmute. Shravani, please mute. Shravani, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please mute. Thank you. Madhuri, please speak with me, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you want to develop the enterprise application using Java technology, it takes minimum 5 to 6 years time. Not only Java or any other technology like .NET or, a map programming language or any other technology like Python. It takes minimum to minimum 5 to 6 years, 5 to 6 years time it will take to complete or develop the application. But the same application, if you want to develop on, force.com platform, or something like Lightning platform. Last class I told you. I hope you remember that.
Yes.
Lightning platform. We can develop maximum 8 to 10 months. Guys, just try to understand the difference here. If you want to develop a complete enterprise application using Java technology or .NET technology or any other technology, it takes a minimum how much time? 5 to 6 years time. Understand? For any development company. But the same application, if you want to develop a Salesforce force.com platform, it takes how much time? 8 to 10 months time. Tell me, as far as client point of view is concerned, which is better, guys? Java.NET is better or Salesforce is better?
Salesforce is better.
Why?
It takes minimum time to complete.
So client's time is saved. Second advantage is what? Project maintenance cost is reduced. Sir, come on, guys.
Yes.
Project maintenance cost or development cost. Yes, come on. Reduce. Am I correct or not? Tell me.
Yes.
Tell me if you go Java or .NET, the client need to pay the salaries for the developers from the day one to till complete the project. Yes or no?
Yes.
How many years? Minimum 5 to 6
5
years.
to 6.
Tell me, giving the salaries up to 6 years is better. Giving the salaries up to 10 months is better. Obviously 10 months. Yes or no?
Yes.
So that is why obviously development cost is reduced. That is the reason across the world, most of the clients are migrated to what? Salesforce side from other technologies. That is why down the line, next 5 to 7 years or 5 to 8 years, Salesforce is too much good in the market. All of you understand what I am speaking?
Yes.
Hello. If we
Yes,
have
sir.
the free time, everyone I'm asking here, if we have the free time, okay, open the YouTube and type Sunil Jose. Sunil Jose Salesforce. Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Right.
So please read this or hear this video. Look at this. The fourth industrial revolution, Salesforce. He is a senior vice president of South Asia, guys. Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, we can hear.
Yeah, if you have the time, please go through this video. Okay, interview with Mr. Ravi from CNBC TV. Okay,
Okay.
so that we can get idea about how the Salesforce career it is next 5 to 8 years. So,
Yes, sure.
uh, so that is the reason I can say that is why Salesforce is what is this RAD. What is RAD stands for? RAD stands for Rapid
Application development.
Development. Because so development time is too much reduced comparatively what other technology. What does Rapid stands for? Quick, fast application development. Understand what I'm speaking here? Everyone in the class? So how it is possible? Okay, if you take other technologies, it takes near about 6 years time to complete the entire project. And how it is possible to complete within 10 months by unforce.com platform? What is the reason? What are the factors behind this? The main reason is what? Coding part is very reduced. Very less in Salesforce. Coding part is very, very less. So whether you go to Java, .NET or any other technology, 90% part is coding, completely based on coding. You go for Salesforce, okay, only 60% part is coding and rest of the 40% part is what? What is this? UI. And graphical user. You understand this point clearly. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Sunil, you don't need to bother about the programming. Programming part is very less. Okay. Guys, be active in the class. Today's Monday, not weekend. Okay.
So, is Apex language similar to Java language?
It is not completely similar to Java. Okay. There are some. Okay. There are some concepts are different from what Java language topics.
Okay.
Okay. And coming to developer sandbox. So developer sandbox, is purely depending on programming or what coding. I can say 60% application development, to you understand the point here, guys? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So for coding, we are using programming language called
Apex.
so Apex is a programming language. I can say it's a proprietary language of Salesforce company. So SAP company proprietary language is what?
ABAP.
ABAP. What does ABAP stands for? Advanced Business Application Programming. Like that, Salesforce company programming language name is called what here? Apex. Do you know what is Apex stands for? Any one of you? Hello guys.
No, sir.
Does anyone know what is Apex stands for? No full form. Understand? Apex means just Apex only. No abbreviation for what? Apex. So this is all about developer sandbox. And coming to the third one. Full copy sandbox. Full copy sandbox means it contains, contains the replica. Is anyone here the word for replica? Replica means
Duplicate.
duplicate copy of the original application replaced in where? Copy sandbox. But why full copy sandbox contains the replica of the original application? Why full copy sandbox contains the replica here?
So that development can test.
Yeah, excellent. So testing purpose. Actually, SDLC. Is anyone here the name called SDLC? SDLC stands for Software Development Life
Life
Cycle.
cycle.
It contains how many phases?
4 phases.
4
Six.
phases.
6 pages.
Okay. One is designing. Second one is development. Third one is testing. What is the fourth one here?
Deployment.
The total how many here? 4. Designing, development, testing, and what? Come on, deployment. So after development, we have to go for what? Testing. What is the meaning of testing? Testing means what? It is a process of what? It is a process of
To check whether the requirement is fulfilled or not.
yes, whether the client's need, okay, or whether the application meeting the client's need. Meeting the client's need or so that is called what? Testing. After testing, we have to go for what? Deployment. What is the meaning of deployment? Deployment means moving the application
To client side.
from sandbox to production. Sandbox to what? Come on.
Production.
That is called deployment. So full copy sandbox contains the replica. It is meant for what purpose here? Come on, guys.
Testing purpose.
Once testing is successful, then we need to go for deployment. Deployment means moving the application from sandbox to production. So what is production environment? Production environment means this is end user space. Whose place?
End users. Clients.
Or client's place, whatever it is. End user's place or client's place. Where end user, where client and client's employees are sitting in development, and use the command.
Application.
But here I need to discuss one important point. Tell me, is client and client employees, are they know how to use the application?
No.
No, they don't know how to use the application because they are not techies. They are not software, software experts. They don't know how to use the application and all. That is why to guide them, to monitor the application, how application is running. Okay. There is another person who is always sitting at the client's place. And third person, we can call him as super user. Or the other way around, we can call him as system
Administrator.
administrator. So system administrator is a person who is always sitting at the client's place, and he is the person monitor the entire application, and he is the person granting the privileges. Privileges means permissions to the employees in the company based on their roles, and he is the person revoking the privileges from the employees. Okay, so the entire application is monitored by whom here? System administrator. Actually, in your course, we are going to discuss two major topics. One is development area, the other one is what? Administration. So after completion of your course, you can prepare your resume or CV, whatever it is, either for development side and as well as what? Administration side also. Understand everyone in the class?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. But as far as, salary point of view is concerned, I'm talking. See guys, at the end of the day, everybody money matters. For you and for me, for everyone. Yes or no? Come on.
Yes.
Yes.
You frankly speak, and why you're learning the course? To get a good job. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why you
Yes.
need job? You need good money. Yes or no? Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So comparatively system administrator, if you got a job as a developer, definitely I can say minimum 20 to 25% salary variation is there between developer and administrator. I can say developer got more salary than system administrator. My first priority, always better to go for what? Development side. Understand all of you? If you
Yes.
go for development side, if you go for coding side, okay, you can sustain in software field in a long run. Understand all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Rather than what? Administrator. Okay. But I'm not insisting.
The developer can also do administrator part.
No, generally not. Generally not. They're depending on the company size, I can say. Understand? Generally
Yes.
not. Okay. In big companies like Wipro, Tech Mahindra. Okay. So they're a separate team. Okay. So sometimes you need to do more, two jobs also. Admin job and as well as developer job. That's what I'm telling, that depending on the company size and which company you're going for. Okay. Right. So coming to next important point, what are the roles? Suppose you got a job as administrator. If you got a job as administrator, what is your role? What is your role? Or roles and responsibilities of some administrator. Roles and responsibilities of system administrator. What are the roles and responsibilities of system administrator? First one, okay, he is a person creating the roles, creating the user accounts, creating the, creating the roles, profiles, granting the privileges, revoke the privileges from the users. He is a person performing, data management operations, like, import and what? Import operations. Import means moving the data from external systems to Salesforce. Import means moving the data from Salesforce to using some tools like, data import, data loader, wizard, and data loader. And companies, most of the people are using what here? On
Data loader.
data loader. So data automations
And approvals.
and approvals. First one. You know what is the meaning of data automation? Hello. You know what is the meaning of automation? Automation means automatically performs the operation without user interaction. Understand? Guys,
So,
automatically performs the operation without user interaction. That is called what? Automation. Okay, for your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example. Generally, we withdraw the money from the ATM. Yes or no?
Yes.
Or you can deposit also. So whether you either deposit or withdraw, immediately you will get the SMS on your mobile. Yes or no?
Yes.
Tell me who will send the SMS to your mobile? Is any specific
Systems.
person in the bank to send the SMS to your mobile manually?
No.
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 So practically
Automated.
it is not possible. It is automated. Automatically send the message to your mobile. Yes or no?
Yes.
Like that, sometimes before any festival, like, like Christmas or before any Dasara or Diwali, okay, some festivals, important festivals in India, okay, you will get some SMS from, Shopper Stop or any Lifestyle or any other shopping malls, deals like, 50% buy two, get one free like this. Tell me who will send the SMS to your mobiles? It's all automated, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, that kind of things can be called as automations. Regarding approvals, we'll discuss later. So data automations and approvals. To perform these automations and approvals, Sales was given some tools like, what is this? Workflows, process builder, flow builder, approval process. Do you understand what I'm speaking here? Hello?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So here flow builder is very important, guys. And after that, data analysis. That is called, business intelligence. Reports and and the most important essential aspect of system administrator is data security. What is this?
Data security.
It's the most
Security.
important crucial job of system administrator in the company. Data security. So data security, like, different levels, org level security, then, app level security.
so what is the use of this data analysis?
Yeah, to generate the reports. That is the reports you have to submit to the high level management. Based on that only, they will take the decisions. Understand? Suppose you are the CEO of the company, Let us assume you are the CEO of the company. You just want to know about the sales report, last quarter sales report. Based on that, you can take the decision of the how you are going to improve the sales for the next quarter. Yes or no? How can you take the
Yes.
decision as a management, as a manager, as a head of the company, based on the reports only? Yes or no? Next one, tab level security. Org level, app level, tab level, object level security. Field level security. Record level security. On record level security, we have something like OWD. OWD stands for Organization Wide Defaults. Role hierarchies. Sharing rules. Manual sharing. Apart from that, we have something like, public groups, permission sets,
Private.
queues. These are all comes under data security aspects. Understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
these are
yes.
the roles and responsibilities of system administrator. And whatever topics are written here, all these topics we are going to discuss in administration part. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
So that is all about the production environment and sandbox environment. So far, we discussed about these topics. Let me recap all the points from the day one onwards. The first one is what is Salesforce we discussed. Second one, what is cloud computing? After types of services, we remember IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Okay.
Yes.
After types of services, we were discussing about something like
Partners.
Salesforce
Salesforce
clouds. Salesforce partners. Versions of Salesforce. Editions of Salesforce. And we have something like what?
Environment.
Environments of Salesforce. So these are the topics last 4 days. I think this is the fourth day, I hope so, right?
Yes.
Okay, last 4 days, we were discussing about all these 8 topics. Hope you understand all these topics, guys. And
Yes,
one more
sir.
important thing from my side, please complete your formalities as soon as possible. Your registrations, I'm talking here. Understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Then only I can able to share this. What is this? This running notes. Running notes, recordings, materials, everything you can share after completion of your registrations. Before I go on. Dear all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm requesting everyone in the class, every head in the class, complete your formalities within a couple of days. Then I can share this notes. Thank you all. Tomorrow, same time. We'll catch you tomorrow.
I have a question.
Yeah, who's this?
Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you, Sony. Hope you
Yes.
understand. If you have any
What?
doubts, you can ask the questions, please. Abhishek, Madhuri, Shreya, Sony.
I have
you.
a question.
Yeah, Shreya, go ahead.
Sir, what is the role of this SAP in Salesforce?
What is the rule?
Role, use.
What is the role of?
SAP, you have written there, na? SAP. SAP using ABAP.
No, I just explained. See, the way SAP company given ABAP programming language, in the same way Salesforce company also, they given their own proprietary language called what? Apex.
Apex.
Okay,
So
for
there is
that
no
is only
ABAP
for
programming
example.
language. Yeah, it's just example. That's it. SAP is a company. Salesforce is also a company. That company given programming language.
software.
Same way, Salesforce company also given their own language called what? Apex. That's it. But there is no role of ABAP in there in Salesforce. Point clear, Shia?
Yes. Sir.
Thank you. So that's all about today's session. I hope you enjoyed the session today. I'll catch you tomorrow.
Thank
And
you, sir.
one thing, sometimes your voice is sometimes breaking, means for a milliseconds. Sometimes, so there may be you can change your network or something, so that will be clear for us.
What about
Because
what about others?
Yes,
It's
sir.
clear,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir.
I think
Sometimes
Abhishek, the problem from your side. only.
It's good.
Abhishek, the problem from your side. only.
Okay.
Better to change your network, okay? Because
No problem.
if
Okay.
if the problem from my side, everybody got the same problem. Okay.
Yeah, got it.
Thank you.
Thank you,
So
sir.
I'll catch you tomorrow same time.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir. Thank you.
thank you, sir.
Thank you.